This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cups, specifically these zero waste cups and lids. We have our 16-ounce size zero waste clear PLA plastic drinking cup. It's 3 1/4 inches in diameter and 4 3/4 inches in height. You have 2 lid options for these cups. They're sold separately, so you can choose the one that's right for you. And you have the option of either the clear flat lid or the clear domed lid, which you can see gives you some nice extra headroom, especially for things like smoothies or a nice ice coffee drink where you might want to put a little whipped cream on top. Both of those lids will fit the 9, 12, 16, and 20-ounce sizes. So in addition to this 16-ounce size cup, you also have the option of a 9, 12, and 20-ounce size in this line. They're all made of a PLA bioplastic that is commercially compostable for a great eco-friendly disposable option. The lid options mean you can choose the setup that's right for your needs. And since the lids fit multiple cup sizes, you only need to stock one lid size, which is fantastic. The lids feature a nice secure fit as well to prevent spills, leaks, and messes. And that clear plastic is really going to show off your delicious beverages and ingredients. These are perfect for iced coffees, teas, lemonades, fresh pressed juices, smoothies, iced bubble tea, and a variety of other cold beverages. They've got a great stackable design that allows for efficient storage and space usage in your shop, making these a perfect disposable option for cold drinks for any coffee shops, cafes, bakeries, tea shops looking for that fantastic eco-friendly alternative to regular plastic cups.